Well, good morning everyone. I hope you are doing good. Well, yesterday I gave you two questions in the revision, and there I observed that some of the students are still confused with the concepts related to the place value system. Therefore, in this video I am going to cover those topics again. Now here, this is known as your place value chart. We always start writing place value from our right hand side, and it starts from ones. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. Then here you can see the two terms are written, that is place value and your place value. Now face value is the value that you get on seeing the number. For example, if I am writing 8, then this 8 will remain 8 always, right? So this 8 is the face value, or you can say the actual value of the number. And if I talk about the place value, then the name itself said that place value means the value which a number is obtaining or getting because of its position. Means the place value keeps on changing if you are changing the place of the number. For example, if I talk about this, then you can see everywhere the 8 is written, right? So since everywhere you will read this number as 8, therefore 8 is the face value, because this is the value that you are getting on seeing the number, right? The face value is also known as your actual value. However, place value is the value which is on the position of the number, means where the number is kept. On the basis of that, the value of the number you are getting, that is known as your place value. For example, if you talk about this, then it is kept at the ones place, therefore the place value of this number is just 8. Since it is kept at the tens place, then this 8 needs to be multiplied by 10, and the place value is 80. Now see the difference. Here you are having 8, here also you are having 8, but the place value is different. Similarly, if I talk about the 10,000s position, then here the face value is 8, because the actual value of the 8 is 8 only. But as the position has been changed, therefore the place value is 8 multiplied by 10,000, that is your 80,000, right? So this is the difference between the place value and the face value. Now moving ahead, here you can see in red ones period, thousands period and lakhs period are written, right? So what does this period mean? Period is a kind of family, you can say. If I talk about this, like ones, tens, hundred, like ones, tens, hundred comes in a single family, therefore they are having their own period. So what all the value is written in between these three columns, they will come in the period of ones. 1000 and 10,000, they are having their own period, right? So whether if you talk about this 6 is also in the period of 1000, and this 2 is also in the period of 1000. Here lakhs and 10 lakhs, they are having their own period, which comes in the period of lakhs, right? The same thing is written here. Ones, tens and hundreds places comes in the ones period. Means if someone is asking you like what is the period of this 6, then this 6 is in the period of ones. 1000 and 10,000 places comes in the thousands period, means these two places will come in the period of thousands, the name is written on the top. And lakhs and 10 lakhs places comes in the lakhs period, so this period is your lakhs, alright? One more thing is, you will have to place the commas to separate the periods. For example, if I talk about this number 4,62,348, then if I talk about that you have to place the commas, then you can see that from here to here you have a single period, therefore your first comma will come after the 3 digits from your right hand side. Remember, I am using that the first comma will come after the 3 digits from your right hand side, not from your left hand side. So the first comma will come here. Then you can see that it is the period of 1000. This is also the period of 1000, but here the period is of lakhs. So the second comma will come after 2 digits. Means you will place the comma whenever you are finding that the period is changing. Now, if I talk about this question number 2, mark the periods by placing the commas and write the names of the given numbers. Write the names of the given numbers means you have to write down the number in word. I am telling you how to place the or how to mark the commas. Now see, start using the place value system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now ones, tens and 100 they comes in a single period, and 1000 belongs to a different period, so your comma will come after 6, right? So you will place the commas like 23,654. in this way you have to do it. Let's understand this C part. Now again, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Now remember again, ones, tens, 100 they comes in a single period, so your first comma will be after 3 digits from your right hand side. Alright, now 1000, 10,000, then you have lakhs. 1000 and 10,000 comes in a single period, and lakhs is having their different period. So again you will mark the comma here. In this way you have to do the remaining parts of question number 2. Now coming to the question number 4. Mark the periods by placing the commas and write the period, place value and the face value of the colored digits. Means what all the number is given, for them you have to first mark the periods by placing the commas. So you will mark the commas, then write the period. Means suppose you can see this 9 is at the 100 place, ones, tens, 100, and 100 comes in the period of ones, so ones is written. Now here place means at which position it is there. So ones, tens, 100 it is as 100's position, so you can see 100 is written here. Place value if I talk about, then it is at the 100's position, therefore it should be multiplied by 100. So 9 into 100 is giving you 900. Face value, the actual value of the 9 is 9, so you will write the number itself. So in this way you have to do the remaining parts of question number 4 and question number 2. That's all for today. Have a good day. Yes, before leaving I would like to say that in case if any one of you is having any sort of doubt, query, feel free to contact me whenever you feel comfortable for you. You can WhatsApp me, you can text me, or you can even call me. Thank you.